Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So get this, I finally made it to the mall and I really want to go shopping in Forever 21, so I will say this location is super big, and there's also a clearance section right behind me, so very exciting. So I see a sign for $5, $9, so yeah, the shopping spree is going to be amazing. And please excuse like the no makeup look because we are actually going to the beach after this, but yeah, of course we need to shop first, so let's go ahead and get started. So look at these bathing suits, you guys, 2 for $25 or $15 each. So if you get 2 of them, obviously you save $5. So this one is seriously so cute. Don't you guys love it too? And I believe the matching bottoms are right behind here, and it looks like they ran out, so very disappointing. But look at this one, you guys, so cute. I swear I definitely want this in my life. It's so cute. I'm actually wearing a Kendall and Kylie bathing suit, so it's actually a bikini. It's seriously so cute, and usually I would never wear a bikini, but I need to start going out of my comfort zone. I feel like this summer is definitely my summer, you know? So yeah, let's go ahead and keep on looking because I swear they have so many cute outfits. This one is actually size small, and I'm wearing a size extra small, so I'm not sure if a size small will fit me, but I swear it's so cute. And yeah, it's not going to fit me, you guys. And look at the next one, you guys, super gorgeous. They also have mint green, pink, which is so cute, I swear. I also love the floral print. There's more floral print back here, like yes. And I found this top again, so cute. And look at these bottoms, so many cute options, I swear. They even have neon green, tie-dye, like what, you guys, so beautiful. But which one is your favorite? Please let me know. Honestly, this one is calling my name, but it's a size small, so I'm pretty sure they don't carry like a size extra small, so these are probably not going to fit me, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and move on to the next table, you guys. So over here they actually have graphic tees, which is so exciting. So honestly, I love wearing graphic tees to my seated classes or just wear them around the house. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Do you guys like any of these? Please let me know. So this one says White Sands National Park. Here's another one, you guys, Equality. These are seriously so soft. This one says Can't Come to the Phone. I love that, but it's not my size. Look at this one, Rose Quartz. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I found over here. So a crop top, and real quickly, here's my outfit today, you guys. So I'm just wearing a hat, and this top would actually match it perfectly, but I can't find a size extra small, so I'm pretty sure this one isn't going to fit me, but super cute. And here's my bathing suit underneath, you guys. I wish I could show you, but I swear it's so cute. And of course I'm wearing my Chacos, so yeah, I have to put this one back unless I can find a size extra small. But once again, I don't think they carry that size here, so it's really hard to shop here. But look at this outfit, you guys. So there's a top, a dress for 13 bucks, definitely a deal. And of course they have the boots over here, but I also found really cute skirts I have to show you guys because recently I've been loving skirts. So they have plaid, of course, so blue, green, pink, a cream color, mustard yellow, and blue. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this little backpack. I love it. And look at these tops to go with the skirts. They even have gray, which is really nice. So honestly, I don't see anything for full price that I really want to bring home with me, so we might as well look at the sales section. So right behind me, they actually have tops for $5 and up, so very exciting. And there's actually a table in the front full of shoes that got marked down, and they're actually slides. So you know what, let's go ahead and look at this table first because seriously so cute. So look at this table, you guys. It's seriously so full of slides, and this one actually looks really cute for the beach. But what do you guys think for only $9? Please let me know. And these are actually originally 25 bucks, like what? Hopefully they have my size. So this one is actually a size 8, so it might fit me, we will see. But I really want to look for a size 7, you know, and I'm pretty sure this one is a size 7. And I was correct, you guys. Like yes, I definitely need to try these on real quick. And there's a mirror right here, so let's go ahead and see if these slides are actually pretty cute, you guys. But I will say there's barely grips on the bottom, so you're definitely going to slide around, but really cute for the pool, you know, or even the beach if you're really close. But yeah, you can definitely adjust the straps and everything, and the color is perfect. So yes, I definitely need to bring these home with me. And obviously we need to look at the other shoes, and look at these slides, you guys. So they're priced at $12 and originally $28. I wonder if this one is my size too, and it's a size 7. So you guys know I need to try this on too. Super cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, you're going to love these slides so much. They're actually very comfortable comparing to the other ones, so definitely worth the extra money. And it also gives me some height, so honestly I can see myself wearing this to the pool or the beach too. I mean, it's going to match my bathing suit perfectly, like obviously coming home with me too. Actually, you guys, look what else I just found over here. So they have light pink slides for only $9, originally $23, and it's my size too. Like I never find my size, you guys, I swear. So I will say this pair is actually really cute, which honestly blows me away. So it actually feels better than the first pair that I tried on, if you guys remember. So what do you guys think about the shade of pink? Super gorgeous. So yeah, I definitely need this pair as well. And you guys, there's even green slides over here, so hopefully this one is my size size as well. And it's actually size 8, so keep that in mind. But maybe this one down here is a size 7 and it's a size 10, so unfortunate. Oh my goodness, you guys, look what else I just found. These are super cute and it's my size too. Like what? I definitely need a bag, you guys, because how am I going to carry all of these shoes, you know? So let me go ahead and try these on as well. So for the price, definitely worth it, you guys. These are actually very comfortable, but they're going to look so beautiful with a dress, you know, or even jeans or leggings. I mean, look at them. They're so cute. I need this pair in my life. They're so comfy. I can wear these all day long. And they're definitely out of my comfort zone, you guys, but I will say I can't find a price for it, but I'm going to guess like 10 bucks. I need a basket, you guys, because I want to bring all of these home with me. But let's go ahead and check out these like neon green slides, which are so adorable as well. So a size 7. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, and only 7 bucks. Like, obviously I need to try these on like right now. These are definitely like pool or beach slides, you guys, because they're not as comfortable, but they're really cute and they definitely stand out for only $7. So I really want to bring these home as well. And look what else I just found, you guys. So beach slides. This pair is actually really cute with the seashells, but unfortunately it's not my size, so I have to pass over it. But look at this one, you guys. So tie-dye, and it's only 9 bucks. Like what? But this one isn't my size either. So I'm going to be honest, I can't carry all of these shoes and vlog at the same time, and they don't have baskets, which honestly is really weird. Like, what if you want to buy a bunch in the store? Like, you have to hold everything, so it's definitely not vlogger friendly, but I'm trying my best, you guys. So hopefully I remember everything that I want to bring home with me. But let's go ahead and take a closer look of the bins on the top. I swear they have so much up here, and right behind me they actually have $7 bathing suits, so I might score on a really cute bikini. So in this bin they actually have a bunch of jewelry pieces, so earrings, they even have bracelets, necklaces, but pretty much everything is a hot mess express, as you guys can see. So yeah, no luck today on the jewelry. Well, let's go ahead and take a closer look in this bin. So it looks like a bunch of hair accessories. This one is a scrunchie for only $1. I definitely want to bring this one home, and let's see if I can find another one for you guys. And here's a headband for $3, but you have to tie it up, so I'm going to pass over it. And look at this headband, $3. Honestly, nothing interesting over here, but I also just found like a purse. So this one is tie-dye and super cute. So it didn't get marked down. It's still 20 bucks. I would definitely wait until these get marked down, you know. But let's go ahead and look on the other side, you guys. So they actually have big makeup bags. This one is rose gold and regular gold for only $5. Like what? I might bring this home. We will see. And look at this purse, you guys. $17. Like what? They even have necklaces for $9. Honestly, not my style. But I really want to bring home a new bathing suit, you guys. So let's cross our fingers that I find like a whole bikini for only $14, because the sign says actually $7 each, so we will see. This top is only $12, you guys, and it's super cute. Don't you guys love it too? I'm probably not going to find my size, but we will see. I also love it in blue. It's so beautiful. I also love this one too, you guys. So cute. They even have it in black, which is seriously amazing. Look at this one, you guys. So many cute options, I swear. I also love these pink bottoms. So cute. But do you guys see anything so far? Please let me know. I also love this one. Coral's really pretty. They even have pink and purple, floral print. And of course, we need to look at the other side, you guys. So hot pink, dark blue. Oh my goodness, so cute, I swear. I also love bathing suits like this because super simple. They even have blue again, mint green, orange. So unfortunately, I couldn't find a bathing suit, you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the next sale table. So I will say they actually have really nice leggings for only $9. And this one is honestly calling my name because of the colors, like they're pastel. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look of this section. But don't you guys love this one too? So hopefully this size fits me perfectly, and hopefully I can hold this and vlog at the same time. But look at these sweats, you guys. So cute, and they're only 15 bucks, but it's a size medium, so it's not going to fit me. They also have dark blue. They even have really cute jeans. I wish they had my sizes, you know, for the bottoms. Look at these tie-dye jeans. I love them. But do you guys like anything so far? Please let me know. So a bodysuit for $9. Honestly, I don't care for bodysuits, but let me know if you guys like them. This one is super cute, I swear. And this one is only $5, but it's a size medium, so it's probably not going to fit me, even though I seriously love it. Maybe I can make a size medium fit. We will see. And here's another plain top, you guys, but it's a size large, another size large. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute, I swear. And look how adorable this top is for only $9. I wish they had my sizes. This bodysuit is $9. And look at this bodysuit, you guys, so cute with the ruffles. Oh my gosh, bike shorts for $7. Meanwhile, in Hawaii, I love that. And look at this crop top, you guys. Only $7. Like what? Another $5 top for $12. Oh my goodness, you guys, everything is so cute, I swear. I love finding $5 crop tops. And look how adorable this one is for only $5. Imagine wearing like high-waisted shorts with it. So cute. I just wish it was my size once again. So actually, let's go ahead and look at the $5 section real quick. So look at this top, you guys, with the peace sign, super cute. So let's go ahead and see if I can find my size. That would be amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys, this one is super cute for $12. But of course, it's not my size. I wish I could make it work. And here's another plain tank top, which I love so much. It says size small, but it looks like they mix the sizes. So you definitely have to get lucky when things go on sale, you know? But I love this peace sign top. It's so cute. And this one is actually size small. I would get it, you guys, but it looks like there's a big stain, so that's very unfortunate. And the other one is also $12, but a size medium. Look at this top, you guys, $5 again. But do you guys see anything? Please let me know. So far in the clothes section, I only found leggings and a top, but hopefully this one fits me because I believe you can't return this, you know? And look what else I just found, you guys. So they have this top in white, but it's not a size medium, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to fit me, but I love the ruffles, and you can also adjust the straps, so that is the reason why I think it might fit me. Oh my gosh, you guys, a $3 tank top, but it's a size medium, so I wonder if I can make this one work. I can always tie the bottom, you know? So obviously I might as well bring this home. And they also have this tank top, you guys, but another size medium, so yeah, I'm pretty sure I can't make this one work. They even have really cute skirts. Oh my goodness, I'm seriously in heaven. Look at this top, you guys. It's so hard finding my size today. So there's actually a mirror right here, you guys. So real quickly, I want to see if I'm actually going to like these three. So here's the first top, you guys. So I'm pretty sure I can make this one work. I mean, it's a size medium, but like I told you guys earlier, I can always tie the bottom to make it look really cute with these shorts. But yeah, super cute with my chacos as well. So yeah, definitely coming home with me for only $3. Like seriously insane. But let's go ahead and take a closer look of this one right here with the ruffle. So I'm very confident I can make this one work, but we will see once I get back home. So definitely stay tuned. But I have to wait until after we go to the beach. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for a haul portion, but it's super cute, I swear. So moving on to the leggings, you guys. So these are actually super cute, you guys, but I will say I'm pretty sure it's not going to fit me because I usually wear a size extra small, so I probably should put this back, you know. So you guys won't believe this. I just found the cutest lace bottoms, so I really want to bring this home, and they're actually bike shorts, so keep that in mind, but for $5, definitely a deal. And I also found more shorts down here, so obviously I need to take a closer look, but I don't want to give up everything that I'm going to bring home, so definitely stay tuned for the haul portion. But I'm going to go ahead and look at the rest of the store, and I'll talk to you guys more once I get back home. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, and look at this outfit. So under $10, seriously insane. So don't forget, this top was actually only $3 and it fits me perfectly. Even though it's a size medium, it's seriously so cute, I swear. And it feels like butter, so highly recommend if you guys see this in the clearance section. And of course, the bike shorts are seriously so cute for only $5. So I didn't realize that I actually got a matching outfit at the store until I got home. So yeah, this outfit is definitely a vibe. So yeah, once again, under $10. So definitely shop the clearance section, super cute. So honestly, I don't want to make this video too long, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you are new, don't forget this channel is all about shopping. And if you missed the previous back to school videos, don't forget to watch them because there's actually a back to school giveaway going on. But I will see you guys in my next one.